Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing an unboxing and a review, and we have a special guest, my godson, Bryson. We are here today to unbox a belated Christmas gift because by the time you guys are watching this, Christmas has come and gone, and I wanted to make sure Bryson still got his gift. So we are unboxing his Christmas gift and we're gonna do a review. Hopefully he likes it. I worked with his mom on this gift, so I think it'll be okay. But nevertheless, we'll hear from his mouth directly whether or not this toy hits or not. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
It's like, obviously. Let's get started. Whoa, here we go. Look at that. So, what we have here is Bryson's gift. You know that we got a little festive up in here with the stocking. Bryson, you still like Batman, right?
No, not really.
Oh, okay, whatever. But we got festive. We got a little stocking situation happening. But really, the star of this show is what's inside this bag. We lost Batman. We're not a fan of Batman anymore. This is an Amazon treasure truck bag where they text you telling you what item they have for sale. And you have like a finite amount of time to do the purchase. And then you have to go to a location to pick up. And they have a giant truck. It's like this Winnebago type thing. There are some games. You can win some small prizes. It's usually not like a huge deal, but it's kind of fun. It's a cool concept. Then you just get your item right then and there instead of having to wait like 2 or 3 days or whatever for Prime to, you know, ship it to you. So let's open this bag up. Bryson.
Yeah.
You're supposed to get like into this.
Oh. Oh. Controller. Oh, it's not.
So this little gizmo we have here is a Cozmo. It's basically a programmable like little robot friend. It's kind of cool because it has like little facial expressions, as you can see there. The box says it's almost human. So expresses a range of emotions and recognizes yours. So it has facial recognition. It makes decisions based on its mood. I mean, who doesn't? It's high tech, but not technical. So basically we're going to open this bad boy up. We're going to set it up and get it to do the things that it can do and maybe play a game. All right?
Okay.
Cool. So I'm like super excited to like tear into it. I can't hold back, but I need to because this is your gift. This is your unboxing. You need to open this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to you and I'm gonna let you open the box. So go ahead and open it up. There we go. Cozmo, everyone. It's definitely smaller than I thought, but it's super cute. The packaging, I don't know. I mean, like, I know for like most people, packaging isn't a thing, but I kind of like the packaging that this came in. It definitely is a nice like presentation. So I think that's kind of cool. And this is like a pretty beefy start here like guide. This is both promising and also scary because it's supposed to be like really easy to like program. It's rated for kids 8 and up, and I'm hoping that it's not going to be too challenging, otherwise this is going to be an interesting video. All right, so this is a quick start guide. There are 3 cubes here. These are cubes that the Cozmo engages with for some reason, I'm not sure why. And inside of here, you also have a charging station for Cozmo. Comes with a charger. We charged it off cam for a couple minutes just to make sure that we were able to move forward with this review. We have the Cozmo and we have 3 blocks that when you remove the tab, they light up. So they are meant to definitely engage with the robot. And basically we are going to go ahead and get him set up and figure out how to use this thing. It's super simple, apparently. So what's included? And you'll need your smartphone, which I have here. It wants us to download the app, which I already did, charge the device, pair it, put in like a key, launch the app, and that's how you'll control Cozmo. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. What's included? We went over that. Power up your Cozmo by putting him on the charger, which we already did. Download the app, which I've done. And I'm gonna go ahead and launch my app. And looks like it wants us to connect, so why don't you go ahead and do the honors. And make sure your device sound is turned on. Do you hear the sound? It's kind of nice. Do we have to give credit to like the composer? This is kind of, I kind of like this song.
Place Cozmo on charger.
Okay, press continue. We did that already.
Please leave Cozmo on charger during setup. Charger.
So, we have power now. We have it plugged in, and he is turning green, and it looks like he is doing
shows your
stuff.
phone number.
That's not my phone number. You don't know my phone number? Cozmo turns on, and we are going to. They're going to search and pair.
Turn Cozmo on.
Okay. It doesn't like our chain of events here, so it wants us to do it again.
4, 6.
All right, so we're having some problems. Can't connect. 9. All right, so we're having some problems getting our Cozmo to connect, which is not a good look. I went ahead and canceled the app, and we're gonna go ahead and reinitiate it and try again.
Turn Cozmo on.
I mean, he's on. So let's go to my Wi-Fi, connect to Cozmo, and we have to put in this product number here. Okay, I'm not sure what to do. It's not working. We are having a lot of trouble pairing Cozmo to my phone using the instructions provided, which is not good. So we've had to recruit Justin from behind the camera to help us out. He's got an Android, and so we're gonna try and connect him to an Android phone just to see if we can get this thing to work. So there's Justin.
Okay, hey, it's happening. We're updating Cozmo.
All right. So maybe it doesn't work with
It hates iPhone.
iPhones.
Well, I'm still gonna do it on iPhone anyway, so.
So we have to do a sequence to reset this. So to reset again, it's hold down the backpack button while on the charger, right? And then lift it up 3 times.
Oh my god.
It connected. Oh my gosh. Oh, that took
goodness.
everything. Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my vlog channel, Please Excuse My Brilliance. I post new videos once a week on Fridays. We experience a lot of cool shiz, which I can't wait to share with you. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Please Excuse My Brilliance. And don't forget to rinse and repeat. Catch you on the flip side. Okay, it says Cozmo's charging. You're connected to your Cozmo and he's almost ready. He just needs another moment to charge. 172 seconds and counting down.
What?
Yeah, that's what I said. 172 seconds and counting. It's at 126 seconds. And it stopped.
I'm not gonna charge him.
Oh, my bad. I didn't. He was like moved millimeters. Oh my god, this thing is super finicky. Oh, I hope she's not like a diva like Cozmo. Like, I need for this to be the one and only time that you're acting like this.
One eternity later.
We are at 50 seconds and counting, and this has been a trying process. I'm hella frustrated. Clearly Bryson's like doing okay, which just means that kids have more patience and a better temperament than we do as adults. So hold on to that for as long as you can.
That's true.
Now we're supposed to watch Cozmo come to life.
I think he's getting stuck on his arms. He's on the charger.
So
He needs to be off of it. Yeah, he's getting stuck.
That's way too close.
okay, so Cozmo is like requiring a lot. So we have to take this off and put him on a flat, clean surface so he can inspect freely on his own, says the app. Like, what the hell? What is happening?
The cringe.
Oh, well done. Cozmo would like to meet you. So meet Cozmo.
Okay.
Don't be looking at me. Oh, he gave me side eye right now. He was like, oh my gosh.
You gonna judge me?
Cozmo knows your name. Cozmo has learned to recognize your face and may say your name when he sees you. Okay, add a new person. Add me.
I'm done.
Damn. Okay, Bryson.
Do a trick. Oh.
The trick is called roll a cube. Okay, so that unlocked some reward points. You unlock like features and like levels or something. So that's my assumption. Oh my god. So this is like one of the key features of this little robot is that it's supposed to get kids interested in tech and also somehow through this coding feature like really engage them in some kind of technical way. So that way maybe it will help nourish and develop like their interest in engineering and like, you know, programming, etc.
Begin the first tap your cube when the colors match, but never tap on the red.
So this is basically don't tap on the cube when it's red. So there is a cube in front of Bryson, a cube in front of Cozmo. They keep going back and forth, and if one of them hits the cube when it's red, then the game, they lose. Are you trying to psych him out?
No.
Oh. Oh my gosh. His face is so sad because he lost the game right now. I'm gonna have Cozmo meet me. Oh, the buttons on this app are really bad.
No.
Hey, he's gonna go off the door now. His head is too high up. You can only see the top of Justin's head. It's not super easy to get Cozmo to drive the way you're supposed to, which is by the orientation of your cell phone and the movement of your cell phone, in addition to toggling buttons on the screen. It's trying to greet you, Justin. Here, take it back to the other screen and let's have it figure out Justin's face. Hi. You are cute.
What are you putting? Go ahead.
So we're in the Cozmo Code Lab and we're going to start a new sandbox project. So the goal is to try to get Cozmo to come to the block, pick it up, move forward, place it down on this. Let's see if we did it successfully. He's identified the block. Oh, nope. He missed.
Barely.
Okay. Almost. Let's see if we can do it one more time.
No. Nope. You helped him.
I did. So there you have it. That was Cozmo. My honest impressions of Cozmo was that I was kind of excited to try him out, but honestly, as we started to like go through the different modes and test out the different functionality, it was a little bit harder than I expected it to be. And honestly, it was a little bit of a downer. I think there's potential there, and I think there's definitely elements of Cozmo that is cool and that kids would enjoy. I think that Cozmo is just, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it enough to really recommend this product. Not to an 8-year-old. It's 8 and up, and it's definitely a little bit more of a frustrating experience than I expected it to be. I don't know. That's just my opinion, but let's ask Bryson. Bryson, this was your gift, and this was something your mom and I thought you would like. What do you think of Cozmo?
I think that I feel like it was a good present for me, but at the same time, it doesn't really do much. It does tricks, it does cool things, but I don't know.
It doesn't do as many things as you'd want it to do.
Yeah.
Well, what kind of things would you want your robot to do?
A backflip. Have legs.
Oh, okay.
Not be a truck.
Not be a what?
Like, I guess it's like a truck or a little car robot.
Oh.
It was at first I thought that I was gonna be able to like control the robot without having to like press any buttons. Just like tell it to move, go back, turn this way or turn that way.
Like voice control, you mean?
No, not like voice control, like still using the phone, but like not having all these different items or icons or these other stuff. Just having to move it, make it do stuff without having to exit out, going to a new one, and then just keep doing that until you're satisfied.
Okay, so like the interface where you are going in and out of different modules was a little bit clunky is kind of what I'm hearing. So the gyroscopic controls, did you like that? And that's where your phone was like moving side to side, up and down. See, I didn't really love that. And I didn't really see it performing the way that it should. So I thought that was like a little bit
of a downer.
Well, I kind of thought the whole thing was a little bit of a downer, honestly. That's it for now. I think that we are done for today. We might need like some coffee, some caffeine, and maybe a little bit of food. So we're gonna wrap this up. For more information on Cozmo, check out the description. Also, you can find our socials down there. Follow us on social media. We look forward to talking to you, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
And plug in my merch.
You have merch? Yay, we recorded some shit.